Good morning students. Today we'll learn new concept about the keyboard keys. Okay. So I already told you the some of the keys. Later we'll explain. So these are the special characters. So mostly we'll use for putting the password. These symbols you have to know. First one is the exclamatory mark. So for this keyboard we have to take shift plus 1. Okay, shift plus 1. If you press, you will see the exclamatory mark. Then second one, at the rate of hash dollar percentage, shift plus 3, shift plus 4, shift plus 5. Similarly, shift plus 6, if you press caret, shift plus 7 and shift plus 8 star or all also will set. And this is the shift plus 9 open bracket and shift plus 0. So there is no 10 in keyboard, so we have to shift to plus 0. If you press, you will press a close bracket. So open and bracket mostly we'll use in mathematics also. Okay, coming to the next one, and some of the keys are the plus, so we call it as addition also. So plus, shift plus, minus, then into, we call it as a x mark, multiplication or multiply also we can tell, and division slash will tell what you call slash or by. So these are the four fundamentals. It is also, we call it as mathematics addition for plus, subtraction for minus, multiplication for into or multiply, and division or divided by, we call it as a slash or by. So these are the mathematical keys in keyboard. Okay, so this is also greater than symbol and less than symbol, and we call it as a flower bracket and square bracket and is equal to. Next is English keys. So first one is the question mark. So what is your name, where are you going? At that time we use the question mark. Then colon, so ratio mathematics is colon, English also, and semicolon. Quotation marks, it should be 2. So whenever any important thing is there, we have to use the quotation marks, apostrophe and comma, full stop. So apostrophe, comma, full stop. Next, so if you want to insert any shapes, we call in MS Word rectangle, oval, triangle, arrow, star. So this also we can use in the MS Word. So coming to the B for bold. So this is B, and B for bold, I for italic. So suppose this is a computer, it will look like somewhat bold, italic. See this, if you type computer, it will go to italic, and underline. So it's computer here and you can underline. So B for bold, I for italic, U for underline. So now this is very important. So alignment, whenever you type anything, the text can be aligned in the center of the page or left, right, or along both left and right. So there are 4 alignments are there, very important. First is the left alignment, control plus L shortcut key, center alignment, control plus E, right alignment, control plus R, and justify alignment, control plus J. So this is very important. This you have to learn: left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, justify alignment. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, you can call me. Thank you.